Osukwini lesithathu umchunu ephekwa ngemibuzo ePhalamende uvuka ogqokweni ngodaba lweplazi likaMengameli Phalaphala ngesikhathi oyilungu lekomidi emeli ANC Khuselo Diko ebuza umchunu ngomsebenzi wophiko oluphenya izenzo zamaphoyisa i-IPID. Lo mbuzo uthi ubewubuzela i-MK Party athi belesele ngokugodlelwa iso lomphakathi kombiko wophenyo lwe-IPID ngamaphoyisa ephenya icala lePhalaphala.
Now, how does one get a report declassified, Minister, if somebody was looking for a report that IPID would have classified?
You will need to wait until IPID declassifies it. In other words, they review their decision and they come to that conclusion.
Lokhu ku MK Party kubukeke sengathi ukuvikela umchunu ekuphenduleni ngalolu daba.
Besicela ukubonga kumama Khuselo ukuthi awuzamile umdefend uminister kodwa sazombuza ke imibuzo ngoba iPhalaphala leli miningi imizi egcekeziwe emalokishini awaclassifyanga ama-document walawo ama-docket walawo mizile egcekeziwe sisazoyixoxa ngoba ireporta kuyi-IPID.
No, it's a pleasure, Honorable Chairperson. As the ANC, we will continue to seek to educate Umkhonto Wesizwe, as they call us ngabantu bakwaGogo, so we're happy to educate them on how these things work.
Amanye amalungu ekomidi ashanga unyawo phansi athi angeke aphunyule umchunu ekuphenduleni ngePhalaphala.
If there is corruption that is being done at IPID, and amongst other things, the corruption of sealing Phalaphala, we are well within our rights to raise it here. And the minister can answer for himself.
Ngesikhathi eqhubeka ephendula imibuzo umchunu uveze ukuthi akaxhumananga nokhomishana wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uJenene Fane Masemola ngokuhlakazwa kophiko oluphenya amacala okubulawa kosombusazwe. Isigcawu siyaqhubeka.